Welcome back, everyone. Mr. Rodney here with a problem for you. The square root symbols weren't translating quite right, so I had to just get a screenshot. So it looks a little different, but nonetheless, we're going to dive right in. So in right triangle ABC, the right angle is at A. If angle B is equal to 30 degrees and the hypotenuse is equal to 12, what is the length of side AB? So first things first, let's draw our triangle to the dimensions that they mentioned above. So we have a right triangle. They say that our hypotenuse is equal to 12. We have the right angle is at angle A, and angle B is 30 degrees. We'll make this side angle B. So this would be angle C. So what is the length of side AB? So they want the length of this side right here. So what we do know is that for triangles, the sum of interior angles needs to be 180. So if this is 90 degrees and this is 30 degrees, stands to reason that this side right here would be 60 degrees. And this makes this one of the special right triangles. It's a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So the good thing with discovering this is that we don't have to do any math. We just have to remember what units go where, or what measurements go where. So the shortest side is across from the shortest angle, right? So if this is 30 degrees, this will be the shortest side. And for 30, 60, 90 triangles, the hypotenuse is 2 times the shortest side. And the other side is this length times the square root of 3. So if the hypotenuse is 12, that makes this side 6 units. And that makes this side AB, 6 times the square root of 3 units. And that would be answer choice J. And that's it.